What's going on, everybody? We got Nelson back.
I'm back.
What's going on, bro?
Yeah, we're back and we're ready for another YouTube channel of how is in Dotes. But here we got some Fortunatos 510s. If you guys haven't ever seen them on an STI, I don't think I have ever seen it on an STI, but today we're gonna unbox it. I have never unboxed it. I waited. The same thing with this Perrin 20 mil spacers because I can't afford wheels because I just went broke for this. So, you know, this is what we got. So let's get this knife.
So you're doing construction on my street?
Damn, that's just bad.
I'm gonna hear rollers and trucks and all that in the background, so it is what it is. The S12 is still there. It's still project. It's just, you know, on hold for a little bit, but alright, for now let's just do coilovers on this dude's car.
Here we go. And as I got it from Evasive, so all your needs that you need, Evasive is the way. Like I said, I haven't unboxed them. This is my first time, so buying really good coilovers. As you know, Fortunato has some good quality shit, you know. Here we got some stickers.
Yeah, even
certified
certificate of assembly.
The certified everything, because you know every time this is what they do.
Hand built.
So I'm just showing you what I got here. So, you know, you got the certificate, who did it, and everything. Thank you. You are the MVPV. You're awesome. And it's telling me. This is telling me what I got here.
How to tune it.
Everything, I guess.
Yeah, for your damping.
So it's pretty interesting. You know. Oh, here you got some specs too.
Test.
You got the test.
Damn.
How my setup is the 11K square. I got 11K square because I already know how 10K feels on my Honda, but that's a Honda, so we'll see how this goes. And I got some user guide. I guess they come with the Allen key and everything you need to adjust the preload and everything. Definitely. Get to that. Let me put this back, but this is what it basically comes with right here.
Alright. Don't scratch the coilover.
I know, right? Scratch it up. So there. See, that's what I love about Fortunato.
That's not that sharp, bro.
That's what I love about Fortunato. Like, they come up with some good quality shit. And Dave is the one that recommended me to go Fortunato. So Fortunato is your sponsor, Dave. Oh, damn. Oh, damn, look at that. That is beautiful. Look at that.
Damn, with the Swift spring upgrade, right?
Swift spring upgrade, yeah. Damn, see,
yeah,
Swift 11K.
Damn.
Beautiful. Damn, anything I ever wanted.
Show me the money.
Show me the money. This ain't cheap either, man.
No, it's not.
This ain't cheap, man. But
how much you spent from?
I think I want to say I spent like, I want to say 2,500 bucks. I want to say.
Shit.
2,500 bucks on this. Well, I mean for the upgrade and everything. So
yeah.
So, here we go. That's what I love about this, man. They wrap it so well and they really do take care of it. That's some weight to it too. Damn. This is it. Damn, that's beautiful. Well, this is for the front.
Fortunato.
See? Fortunato. Beautiful, man. This is really, truly beautiful. See? That's adjustable. See? This is what it comes with. This is how it looks like your 510s right here. And this is a 510. This ain't a 500. Ain't no cheap shit right here. This is... Hey, STI owner needs good shit, not cheap shit.
We're gonna get this thing up in the air, we're gonna take the tires off, and we're gonna start fucking shit up, right?
Yeah, we'll start fucking shit up.
Right.
Either it's gonna go good or bad, we'll see.
You know us, we don't like to read directions, so we'll see how this goes. Alright, so now that it's in the air. Dude, check that out! You can feel like, dude! Yeah, this thing's up in the air, all four corners up in the air. Look at that!
Damn, look at that.
All this is gonna go bye-bye.
Hell yeah.
And the rear is just as bad.
Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ!
Damn wheels are so heavy, it's, oh my god. I can see why people get rid of them. These wheels are so heavy, it's annoying. And they're pain in the ass to clean. Like, I hate these wheels, like, they're so hard to clean. Business, you want to take off this ABS clip right here, because you don't want to avoid any kind of damage, you know, because if you damage that, you're pretty much fucked, so
you're disconnecting the ABS line and what else?
And then a brake line.
Brake line in the back.
This brake line right there. You can see it. That brake line has to come out. And then once you let those two babies go, then I guess pretty much all set.
I mean, you need to have the right plier to do the right job, right? Come on. Automotive training, where's it at? Come on.
It's not here.
It's not here.
It's not. This ain't it cheap. Alright.
You had to trade it in when you bought a Subaru or what?
I had to trade in all that. Didn't quite work out the way I wanted. Press these two babies in. Son of a bitch. So this.
Oh, that, yeah. Some of those plastic clips.
Yeah, those plastic clips.
You might end up breaking it.
Maybe. There it is.
Oh, damn. Alright, brake
line's off. This one could come out.
There we go.
First order of business. Actually, let me leave this out.
So now you just unbolt the coilover from the top and let everything fall.
Just let everything just fall and eat shit.
Pop the hood.
You will see a motor that's prone to being blown up one day. Okay,
alright, so there you go. You just unbolt these.
Just unbolt these babies and that's
and
it.
Let the coilover just fall.
Let it just fall. Let it just fall.
Let it go, let it go.
Let it go.
Let it go to shit. Hey, yo, Nelson, how are your ringlands doing?
They're slowly talking to me.
They're slowly talking to you?
One day by day, like, keep driving the way you're driving and you're gonna see me real soon.
Piston's gonna say hello to you pretty soon?
Oh, hell yeah. Surprise, motherfucker. These are like not even tied in at all.
Subaru, what happened? First the clips and then now the loose bolts or what?
Life happens. It's what makes a Subaru a Subaru. Okay. So this is pretty much done. It's just the only thing is,
Hey, just loosen them, just back them out, what, like halfway?
yeah,
Just so that they can start, just so the shock starts to fall.
yeah. Just let it fall. See how it's moving? It knows its fate. Okay. Almost there. So right now I'm gonna loosen these babies right here. And I don't even know. Yeah, I'm just gonna loosen these bitches right here.
When you don't have a metric, just yeehaw it.
Yeehaw. Just yeehaw it.
Yeehaw it with the standards. With the ASE.
Oh shit. Oh my god, that's funny.
Cause Merca.
You motherfuckers marked it, you see?
Yeah.
Damn. Sorry, Subaru.
That just means it's torque, bro.
This is torque.
Take the washer out. Oh.
Damn.
Yeah, already dropping shit.
Hey, it's okay, weight reduction. Okay. Alright, so there we go. That's done. Right. So I'm gonna push these babies out. This is gonna come out.
Hammer.
That's it.
Oh,
look at that.
It's gonna want to pop out towards us. So you're just gonna want to watch out. You should probably put the jack under it.
There it is. Okay, take that bitch out.
Where's the hammer?
Little hammer. There it is.
Okay.
Gonna want to tilt forward, huh?
Yep. Oh,
Okay,
there
so
it is. Supported. Cool.
Okay, here we go.
All right, now take the, loosen those bolts.
I'm gonna do it right now.
ready? Grab it. Damn, to put the new ones in, dude, it's gonna be a bitch because we don't want to scratch them. Fuck.
There it is, a piece of shit.
There we go. Stock one's out.
Look at the size of that massive ass coil spring. That thing is massive.
There we go. It's out. Damn, that weight comparison. That size comparison. Look at that. Look at that size. Damn.
Tells you that Subaru. As long as it doesn't say some other brand, then I think we'll be alright.
Nah,
I didn't watch it say Isuzu. I'll be so pissed off.
Nah, it doesn't say Subaru. Alright, so we got the construction going on, and then we got the gardeners next door, so there's gonna be a lot of noise. There it is. Fired up the lawnmower. Alrighty, we're putting this one in. Hey, you gotta take the nuts off.
Oh shit, yeah,
You're getting ahead of yourself, bro. Right here. I'll catch it up here. Yeah, let's see. Like this. Like this. Turn it like this. It's almost there. That one, and then that one. There you go. Boom. Boom. We'll use the jack. Line everything up. Go up. Lift. Let me know when. Okay, hold on, right there. Go up a little bit. Right there. And we put the big one on top. Yeah, that's the camera, right?
That's just the camera.
Cool.
Okay, right there. Let me see. Lift it up more. There it is.
It's in?
That was it.
Alright. It's in.
It's okay.
One.
That one might be a little bit tough, though.
No?
What?
It is.
No.
Damn, I'm surprised.
No, it doesn't get stripped that easy.
Now, we put the ABS.
My ABS right back.
Boom, pops in. Nice. I think it's in.
Yeah, it's in. That's it. And this one. Boom. This one, look at that. It lines up right. Nice. Ooh. Little zap, and we'll torque them after.
Yep. Alright.
So this side is done for now. And then we'll figure out the height and everything later.
Yeah, we'll do the preload. The height adjustment, and then we'll torque everything back up before we drop the car. So, but hey, it's looking nice.
So we'll just take over.
Ooh, Fortunato.
It'll be more interesting.
Alright, so now we're done with the fronts. Well, we just put them in, just hand tight and all that, but now we gotta do the rears. The rears are gonna be, according to Nelson, more interesting. So, and why is that?
Well, to start, I have a bunch of bullshit. To start, I have a bunch of shit that.
Damn, so what, the whole trunk needs to come out?
Yeah, the whole trunk. I'm just kidding now.
Put it on top of that shit. The rears, here's what we have to deal with the rears. I mean, it's just one bolt on the bottom. The top we gotta take off what?
It's just 2 bolts.
Yeah, but we gotta take all this stuff out in the back.
I know.
Gotta take the whole trunk out, you gotta take everything.
Yeah, I should have done this probably yesterday, but
Yeah, it is what it is.
I did shit last minute, so.
Okay, so for the rear, Damn, I got a bunch of crap on the lens because these fucking guys be passing.
I know.
Throwing dust. All right.
So the rear, all you have to do is remove, as you know, you have to remove this cover, which is over there. I have it over there.
Styrofoam.
Yeah, that bullshit ass cardboard bullshit. And then remove this, just no space, and then it would be under these 2 bolts right here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's 2 bolts that hold that strut in, and that's what you basically need to do. Somebody just needs to raise it and just ratchet it out or whatever. It should be pretty easy. All right. Hopefully, that's what we say.
Yeah. That's usually what we say, that it's easy, and then it ends up being like 3 hours.
I know.
3 hours of work.
And then this one's
just 1 bolt.
No, this one is just, you have to remove 3 bolts.
Why? Oh, because
because this one is gonna go like this.
Yeah.
That's what we're gonna do. All we're done is remove these 3 bolts. Once you remove those 3, boom, just force the arm down. And that's it. So you don't have to fuck with the camber setting because there's a camber ball right there.
Yeah.
So that's about it.
All right.
Let's get it.
Let's get to it then.
Yeah, hopefully not. Okay, I'm just gonna loosen it a little bit. And then once I drop the arm, it's gonna go down.
Yeah.
Because right now it has a lot of pressure.
Oh, so you even released one that's all the way on the subframe over there in the back?
No, I haven't released it yet.
No, but do you release that one?
Yeah, you have
that
to
one in
release
the back?
Yeah, the one in the back. Yeah, the third one.
Okay, I see what you mean now. Because you said 3 and I only saw 2. I was like, what?
Yeah, the third one's in the very end.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so now this one. Yeah, let's hold it right there.
Alright.
Fuck, that is not what I really expected, but okay. That'll work. That'll do. And then this one, once I release this one, that should be it. It should drop down. This one has pressure, I know that. But
Yeah. So
this one,
1, 2, 3. Maybe subframe, sway bar, shock.
let's put them in order. Not enough forgetting it.
Push it down there. There you
Like
go.
that.
Boom.
Like that. And then that's it. Done out. That's it.
Now we just gotta release the ones
In the
from the
very
top,
top,
and then that's it.
That's it.
This
Easy as that.
thing can drop down and peace out.
Peace out. Peace out. Easy, huh?
Yeah.
Fronts are more of a
Okay, so Nelson said that he's like, oh, the rears are so hard, that's why we're doing the fronts first. This thing came out in like, not even, it's only been like, what, 5 minutes?
5 minutes. That was my bad. Okay. My bad.
Now this is
The Pito challenge. There we go. Spherical bearing, bro.
Is it a true spherical bearing? It is. Damn. So you paid, what, 3 grand for?
Yeah. We better be good, right? Okay, let me just measure this out.
Yeah, we're measuring it out.
Same as the other side. Well, we don't even know how low it's gonna go, but we'll do 2 inches even.
You do 2 inches?
2 inches even.
Yeah, right there.
2 inches even.
There you go. This is all the stability in your life you need right here.
Take one.
What's going on, brother?
What's going on?
That's a beautiful car, dude.
Boom, landed. Hold on. Is that all the way up?
All the way up, bro.
Alright. Alright, so those are in on top. Now the bottom.
I think this is gonna be more of a challenge. Well, I
The bottom has the inserts.
it's a spherical bearing.
There's the bearing inserts. There you go, boom. You put the arm back in.
Adjustability. Son of a bitch.
We're gonna need a jack, no?
Yeah, the jack would be a good
Or
idea.
try putting the back one in first.
Let me see if I can like this by myself. Oh, I can.
Oh yeah, you can. That's...
Tits. I mean, these bushings are not 30-year bushings, so we're okay.
They're like 30-month-old bushings.
30-month.
30-month-old bushings. like almost there. It's like right there. There it is. There it is. Okay, just wiggle it. Whew. It's a workout. There we go. Boom. So put the subframe in first, and then the sway bar lines up.
Should line up perfectly, and then after that we'll figure out.
And then after you use the jack to lift up the whole arm.
Oh, Fortunato. Fortunato. How about Fortunato?
Runaway socket. Alright. Street sweeper coming again for like the 6th time?
Yeah.
7th time? Vale verga.
I know. Why do we put a lot of money into our suspension? Why? Because
If you want stability in your life, you need to spend the monies. Stability. Here, I'll guide it. You jack it up and I'll guide it. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. More. See right there, no? That's like perfect. Yeah!
nice.
There you go. Boom.
Yeah, boy. Gonna be able to.
Yeah. I see that shit. Just gotta do the back.
Just the back. Go ahead. That's good, that's good, that's good. One side is done. And we'll adjust it as we need later.
There we go. Boom. Woo. Ready for the next side?
Ready for the next side.
Let's do it. All right, last one. Rear driver side.
Here we go. Rear driver.
But this side is gonna be more interesting because we have the tome. We have the tome here, so it's gonna be interesting.
And then fucking need to adjust that down exhaust because it's
Yeah, the exhaust is hitting the bunking.
fucking differential. I don't even know how that happened.
Can't see shit. Alrighty, so the 20 mil spacers are on. Woo, they're looking good. Hopefully these will flush out on the fender. Alrighty, tire, wheel.
Now we have to
No.
see how they're gonna fit.
Yeah, let's see if we actually did a good job of setting the height. So, we shall see. Alright, so like what, 2 hours later?
2 hours later.
2 hours later, we're done adjusting. I think this is the final adjustment because we're tired. I know Nelson's tired. But the front, we got the fronts down. Everything's looking good. Everything's looking flush. And the rear, we actually ended up going too low on the rear and couldn't even get like a finger in there. So yeah, that thing was pretty bad. But then we drove it around, it settled a bit. And now we did the final adjustment. So we're gonna see what's up, see how it sits, and then we're gonna take it for a drive. And then we're probably gonna go get something to eat because I'm pretty sure Nelson's hungry now. I mean, it's already what, gonna be 4 o'clock? Yeah, it's 3:41. So yeah, alrighty, let's see how this thing turns out. Everything's already adjusted. The rears they've been measured, and everything's even. The fronts have been measured, they're all even. So now we're gonna go on the final test drive. have the power of more low. See, paving my damn street. Looks pretty even now. Yeah, the front looks even with the back. How does it feel?
It looks better. It feels nice too.
Yeah.
It feels very nice.
Still gotta do something about that rattle.
No, later we'll fix that.
I see still a little bit uneven on the pavement here, but
It does look lower, you can tell.
yeah, we just lowered the front another 1/8 because wanted to match the rear. But yeah, it looks good. I like it.
This is what it is.
I like it.
It needs to be clean.
Yeah, it just needs to be clean.
Dad, people do all this dust and bullshit in the car, like really?
Yeah. Yeah, we had the gardeners here and you know the people paving the road and they were blowing all the crap to my house. It doesn't help that I live on a main street, so there's already a lot of crap that flies over to my house. So yeah, the 20 mil spacer really does good.
That's the guys that look back on it,
Yeah,
before and after.
The Perrin.
Pretty much where it's gonna be. That's it. I'm happy with this.
Until you get real wheels, right?
Until I get real wheels for now, this is the way it's gonna stay.
It's coming?
And tuning.
Wheels?
So wheels and tuning.
Wheels and tuning.
As far as suspension tuning, I want to say tuning because I don't want to let you guys know exactly what it is, but it's gonna be suspension. So this car is mainly gonna be. I'm gonna set it up for basically autocross for now.
Autocross time attack?
Autocross time attack. So see how it goes. I'm happy with it for now. So this is where it's gonna stay. All right. Well, that's it for you guys.
Yeah, let's get out of here, bro. I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too.
It's already, we've been at this, what, like 6 hours?
6 hours, yeah.
Just because, you know, there's been so many adjustments here and there. Then we put the wrong coilover on the front. We flipped them because of the brake line mounts and the ABS sensor mounts and all that stuff. So we had to do double work and all that stuff. But we're done. We're going to go get something to eat. It's going to be 5 o'clock, I think, 5:30. And today I'm getting new dogs. Yeah, getting 2 new puppies. So we're gonna welcome them to the family later today. So yeah, maybe I'll make a video on them. But for now, yeah, see Nelson's already giving me the sign like, let's go, bro. I'm hungry. We're gonna clean up, wash up, shower because it smells like crap, and then yeah, I'm gonna go get something to eat. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff. See you next one. Peace.
Peace. Peace. No STI, fuckboy, no, fuck that. This is gonna be strictly the future time attack build.
Financial problems, bro. You know, we all face them. So.
Oh yeah, that's the one thing that everybody faces, and I mean,
especially when you're building a project car.
yeah, project car.
Project car, you broke life, ramen noodles every day.
And if you say that your shit's done, it's a lie because it's never done.